again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to use this Veggetti spiral vegetable cutter. I bought this from Marshall, which is about like 3-4 years ago. I forgot about it. I bought it on sale for $6.99 and never got a chance to use it. So today I'm gonna use the Veggetti vegetable cutter right here to cut the zucchini right here. I have 2 zucchini, and I'm gonna make a really delicious recipe called zucchini spaghetti. So let's take this one out. Yeah, it came out with this quite a few years ago, and I bought it. I never had a chance to use it, so it's been lost somewhere. I just found it a couple days ago. It came with a lot of recipe right here, but one of them right here is one of them is a zucchini spaghetti right here. So I'm gonna make that one. So basically, have 2 ends of it. There's a cap right here. You can remove it, and the cap right here got a little teeth right here that you can push into the vegetable. And so once there's 2 different this one called thin right here. This is a thin one if you want the vegetables cut really thin, and this one the thick one. So let's try this out. So first of all, just remove just take a knife, just remove the top and the bottom of the zucchini right there, and I'm gonna use the thin one. Let's see. So you just hold it like that and then turn it. Yeah, I'm gonna use the thin one. Okay, you twist it. All right, look at that coming out right there. That's so it's easy to use. It cut the vegetable into spiral. So keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Well, it looked like a strand of spaghetti coming out. See that? Looks like strand spaghetti. It's a very healthy recipe, actually. I'm going to just make it from this right here. There's a little booklet that got all the recipe in there. So the first one I'm going to do is the zucchini spaghetti. I already made the sauce already, so the sauce already done. So you know how to make spaghetti sauce. It's easy to make. So let's just keep going. Look at the big, uniform. Everything come out uniform. Look at like the strand of spaghetti. So when it comes to the end right here, that's when you use this. You don't want to cut your finger. There's a sharp cutter inside there. This is the thin side, this is the thick side, so I'm just using the thin one. I like the thin one. So look at getting close. You just use this, using the little cap right here. It's got like sharp spike, so you just push that into the zucchini. So this way you won't cut your finger right here. Just keep doing it. Just for safety reason, you don't want to just keep turning zucchini and then there's a sharp cutter inside there. That's not good. You'll cut your finger for safety reason. All right. So you have left is a little core right here, which is just toss this away. All right, some of this too, just toss it away. You can eat this raw if you want to, but I'm gonna blanch it a little bit. I'm gonna blanch it in the water for a few seconds, and you can eat it raw. Basically, you just put the spaghetti sauce on top of it, but I'm gonna just blanch it a little bit just to make sure that I take out that rawness a little bit out of it. A pot of water is almost boiling already. I'm gonna just put a little, maybe a teaspoon of salt in the water. Right there, so the water's boiling. We're gonna just put in about maybe 10 seconds or so. We don't want to. I don't want to cook the zucchini here. Just blanch it for about 10 seconds. Right there. Take that rawness out of the zucchini a little bit. That's all I want to do, just blanch it, not cook it. I don't want to cook the zucchini. Okay, it's done. Just drain the water out. All right. Take one of this right here. Take one of this bowl right here, small bowl, just so you won't burn yourself. See. Squeeze all the water out. I don't want too much water in the. When I put the sauce in, I want the spaghetti to absorb the sauce when I put the sauce in. That's why I don't want a lot of water in. Yeah. So look at that beautiful strand of spaghetti. I mean zucchini right here. Okay, let's plate this up. Right here, the sauce, I already made the sauce. So I made one of my video. If you want to see how I make spaghetti sauce, yeah, please go watch that video. You want to know how I made the sauce. So right here, the sauce has some chicken breast in it. I cut into small pieces. So right there, just put the sauce right on the top. Well, I have some Italian style cheese right here, shredded cheese. So I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on the top, and it should be delicious. So this is the final product, zucchini spaghetti. It's very healthy and delicious, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Let's give it a taste. This is how it tastes. Look at the strain of it look like spaghetti right here. The strain of cut up zucchini right here. Delicious. Very delicious. This is a very, very healthy. If you don't want to eat a lot of carb, I suggest that you give this recipe a try. It's a very delicious recipe. It's a lot of vegetable. This is good. Oh, this is good. Very healthy recipe. So it's very delicious, very healthy. Basically, instead of using the spaghetti, you use the zucchini. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. So right there, just put the sauce right on the top.